But not all journalists of color are immigrants. Some of them are, but not all of them are. So this makes it really difficult when it comes to looking for statistics. So we don't even have a proper, like we're not even.
Do you like my name at first? Hi, my name is Ghazwan Al-Shammari. I'm a reporter and news anchor before coming to Canada. I attended today the workshop. It was a very useful workshop and very good opportunity to the immigrant journalists. We heard from the professional journalists that attended today with us, and we heard about their experience and their advice for us to involve in this field. Thank you very much for all the people who organized this workshop, and we hope to get more about this. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Oliver, and the workshop was a different experience altogether. We got to learn a lot about PR in the world of Canada. Me being an immigrant, it's a different landscape altogether. The opportunities are completely different, and we need to put our best foot out of there, And yeah, I wish best of luck to everybody who's planning to come to Canada, and I hope they learn and live the experience, which is something that they're really looking forward to. So yeah, best of luck for everything, guys.